Notts Air Ambulance. Thanks to the organising committee who are listed at the back of the programme. Without them, this simply wouldn't happen. So you'll see their names there. They work all through the winter to make sure that this can be delivered in the latter part of May. And thank you to all the exhibitors for bringing your exhibits down today. The cake stand, as I've said, still has special offers are on. So if you want to take some cakes away with you, make your way to the stand before you leave, and I'll keep you notified of any movement. But at the moment, those exhibits are staying where they are, so pop in and have a look at them. Thanks.